This is a quick update to let you know I'll be taking part in a live panel discussion hosted by Harold over at the Amateur Redneck Workshop on Sunday at 9 PM UK time. The panel will be made up of 7 YouTube creators, all based in Europe and all interested in machining and metalworking. Harold runs similar panel streams fairly often, and he will pick some topics and share the discussion. I haven't had much warning about what we'll be talking about, but I'm hoping it won't be all about big machines and I'll be able to chip in a bit of my own experience. The livestream is a must for any of you who want to see me finally get in front of the camera, as the whole panel will be visible via video chat. A link to the livestream is at the top right and in the description below, along with a link to the ARW channel. There are panel discussions with lots of YouTubers you're sure to have heard of to check out, as well as Harold's own projects. I hope to see a whole bunch of you in the comments there, and if you find the other panellists interesting, check out their channels too. In the meantime, here's some footage of the birds feeding right outside the door of my new temporary workshop. See you all at 9 PM on Sunday. I love you all.